Hello friends, welcome to 5 Tech. This is OnePlus 70 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset in OnePlus 70 smartphone. First of all, switch off your phone OnePlus 70. Press power button which is available on the right side of your phone and select power off. Phone will be shut down. Just wait for a few seconds. Now you have to use power button and volume down button together. Volume down button is on left side. Press these two buttons together and wait for few seconds and release those buttons. Now you go to give the pattern for confirming. Here select the language. I selected English. Here select third option, erase all data. For confirming you can use power button. Click the first option. This will erase everything. Just wait for few seconds. Now you can reboot your phone. Select reboot and wait for a few minutes. It will take longer time. Now click on start button. Hard reset is done and you can set your phone from the scratch. Follow the on-screen instructions and set your phone like a fresh one. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye.